Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Java. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a simple GA with the help of Swing here. So as of now, Swing is one of the important common ways for creating a lot of number of GA. So here we are going to set the chart frame. This is just a part where you can learn the basics. You are not getting the complete code here. The upcoming session definitely will try. And whenever doubt, please kindly subscribe and check the playlist. So here, after we know, here import, we are going to import the uh, java x.swing.asterisk symbol, then java import java.aw.asterisk symbol. So for the upcoming session, definitely we can extend the code with the help of even handler. So here I'm going to create a program called class GUI where I'm going to write public static void main. Then I'm going to create a JFrame. So we can follow the syntax. So that is JFrame, frame new frame. The title is called chart frame. Then I'm going to add the close operation, that is jframe dot exit on close. Then I'm going to set the size as a 400 comma 400. If you want, you can change the size at any time. Then I'm going to create the menu bar with the components like adding the components like j menu bar. There's one menu bar, that is j menu m1, that is for creating a file. Another menu bar called as a help here. So in the file, I'm going to include the some of the items like mb.add m1 and m.add m2, because this is an introduction class where we are going to see the part of the code only, not complete session here. So I'm going to write j menu m1 new j menu of open. Similarly, I'm going to give save as and close. So whenever click the, once we are the user, we are going to select everything. Whenever click everything, what will happen? Whenever click the file, it will show the open and save as and close here. And I'm going to add everything with the help of the syntax like m1 dot add of m11, sorry m11 and m22 m23 for placing all the components. And I'm going to create the panel at the bottom and adding the components like J panel, panel, new panel. Then I'm going to go J label, label, new label, enter the text. Here the user can comfortably enter text. Then it will take the input from the user. For that reason, I'm going to give the text field, that is text field of 10. Size just giving. Then I'm going to give the send bar because the chart frame. So we can give send and reset. Send button creating, that J button, say new J button of send, then reset here. If you want, you can reset. Then you can add the flow layout here like this: panel dot add of label 1 and panel dot add of tf and send button and reset here. So these all the comments will visible when you execute the program. And I'm going to write the text area at the center, that is j text area, that is ta is equal new text area. Then I'm going to add the components to the frame, that is called frame dot get content pan, that add border layout of dot south comma panel. Similarly north MP, then I'm going to give border layout dot center comma TA. At last, I'm going to give frame dot set visible of true. How do you execute it? Simple. We can go to the Java compiler where you can give Java space GUI.java. After compilation, if there are no error, you can click, you can write the command as usual, type the command Java space GUI. So once given means what will happen if there are no error, we can you can show the output here. We can view the output here. Say file, chart frame headline, where we are created the help of swing concept file where you have open, save as and close, and help we are not adding anything. And enter the text. Here the user can comfortably enter text like that, text anything. And whenever you give that send, it will go and reset, because it's not a complete code. Whenever are the event recur, it will support all the functions here. So this is about introduction and how do you can comfortably create GUI with the help of Java Swing. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.